We know that mathematics performance in early grades is a strong predictor of post-secondary readiness and success. For students who do not take Algebra 1 by 8th grade, they are far less likely to pursue college-level math in high school. And for students who do complete college-level math in high school, such as advanced placement, dual credit, or international baccalaureate, what we've seen is 60% of those earn a college credential within 6 years of graduating from high school. Through our collective work with K-12 and higher education partners, we've seen powerful changes in policies and practices that have opened up access to advanced math pathways, thus placing Central Texas students on pathways to college and career success. Inspired by E3 data, key leadership have undertaken a campaign to provide middle school students with opportunities to take accelerated math in 6th grade, and deliberate communication with families have helped them better understand the benefits of advanced math pathways for college readiness and success.
One, I believe in challenging yourself. One, you don't know what you can do until you challenge yourself. And a lot of things, accelerated math, one thing I learned, there's a lot of things that intertwine to whether you want to be a scientist, biologist, whatever field, medical, engineering, whatever field, those accelerated math courses helps you achieve that, and it allows your mind to think critically. Something with the accelerated math, it opens up your brain and fire different neurons that make you look at things a little bit differently than you would just with basic math courses. It can prepare them for the future by allowing them to, one, challenge themselves, by two, giving them the tools and the mindset and thought process to be successful. Because a lot of times what I've seen in college even myself is by having these advanced courses, is allow you already think on a collegiate level and allow you to push yourself by means that you have not, and allow you to achieve goals that you have not. My greatest desire is for them to learn as much as they can and them to find out who they are and who they want to be as they become adults.
We want every student to have access to accelerated math coursework in middle school, leading to advanced math pathways in high school, and a better chance to persist and succeed in college. We owe it to our families to educate and inform them of the opportunities available to them so that their children can be placed on the trajectory to succeed academically as they transition from elementary school to middle school to high school and beyond. Now, when we look at and examine advanced math course taking, it can certainly be a risk. The good news is that there's much optimism for what the future could look like for our Central Texas students. We know that our collective efforts have resulted in positive and significant outcomes for students, in particular for our underrepresented students and our students from low-income backgrounds. When it comes to middle school students who are completing Algebra 1 by 8th grade, we've seen that since we began this work over time, the gap between our non-low income and our low income students has significantly decreased. In addition, the percentage of Central Texas top performing 5th grade students who are completing Algebra 1 by 8th grade has increased for all students. We are so proud of this targeted approach by our partners, which has resulted in the Central Texas region leading the state with the highest percentage of students completing Algebra 1 by 8th grade. Now, we know there is still much work to do to close that income gap for access to advanced math pathways, but we are looking forward to the next iteration of our Pathways of Promise work, where we will focus on deeper engagement with our stakeholders, including our families and students, as well as equipping our educators with the tools they need to deliver high-quality instruction that is truly equitable. We know that through this ongoing and collaborative work, we are opening up possibilities for our Central Texas students and really ensuring that they have a future that can be what they wish to make it.